Hey everyone, Kevin from Robertson's Power and Sports. Man, this machine has been in the works for a while now. It finally came in. We finally had a chance to build it here in the shop. Loaded it with a bunch of goodies just to share with you. So let's take a look. All right, so here we have the 2021 Maverick Sport XRC loaded with a bunch of goodies like we had said. Let me take some time here and show you some of the stuff that we've added to this machine that we think just really made this machine perfect. We'll start right up here in the front. We opted to put the CAN-AM LED headlight kit in this machine. These headlights here really give you a nice wash at night, nice bright color. So we decided to go ahead and add those. The Power Flip windshield. This is a hard-coated polycarbonate windshield that is power flip, and I'll show you how that works here in a little bit. I really like this windshield, probably one of my favorite windshields that CAN-AM has. Something else that we've added, we've upgraded. This machine comes stock with 30-inch tires. We decided to go with a 32-inch Carnivore. This is a 32-10-14. This here just gets the machine up a little bit more. The areas where we ride here in Maine, they tend to be a little bit rocky, and we definitely want all the ground clearance that we can get around here. So we opted to go with the Carnivores. We've talked about these Carnivores before. We add them to a lot of our machines. Reason being is 8-ply tire, super durable tire, but not only that is they're lightweight, so you don't add a lot of rotating mass, a lot of weight to the machine, where now you have to compromise horsepower, or we have to get into clutching or anything like that. So that's why we go with this tire. Love this tire. We stock them, sell a bunch of them. Okay. The other thing we've added, visibility in these machines as they're getting a little bit bigger is definitely a concern for people. So we went ahead and added these side mount mirrors right here, and these do flip in or flip out. So it's nice if you brush up against anything or you're trying to get into a tight spot like a trailer or whatever, you can definitely just fold these in and they're out of the way, okay? Sticking with talking about visibility, these machines, when you're looking out the back, they can be a little bit tricky. CAN-AM offers a rear view camera kit, okay? So put the camera at the back of the machine, so now your rear view mirror is looking straight out the back, what the camera's seeing. I really like this option an awful lot from CAN-AM. Also inside the machine here, we've added a dome light. We've also added 4-point harnesses to both the driver and passenger seat. One thing that I'll tell you about riding with 4-point harnesses is this. A lot of times if you're using, especially in these machines where you're riding aggressively, you tend to use your upper body to hold onto that machine to stabilize yourself. When you ride with something with harnesses in it, the harnesses help keep you in the seat without having to, your body's not going to sway around. So you're not using your upper body, your arms, you're not tense all the time. You're just using your arms to steer the machine. It'll definitely help with fatigue towards the end of the day. And not to mention, it's just, it's the safety aspect of having 4-point harnesses in this thing is better than just the regular shoulder strap. They're not uncomfortable. They're super easy to get in, click in and out of them. I do like them. Definitely consider it, especially if you're an aggressive rider, to help with that fatigue, especially at the end of the day. Also with this one, we did go ahead and add the roof. We've also added a rear windscreen. Now, we've talked about this before. Anytime you do a windshield with a roof, you always want some sort of a rear panel, whether it's a net like this, it's a hard panel, a soft plastic panel. You always want to add something here in the back, and that helps with the dust roll coming back in through the machine, okay? So that's a wrap here on the exterior of the machine. I'll take you inside, we'll show you a couple shots inside. Alrighty, so now we're inside the machine here. I want to show you how easy it is to get in and out of these harnesses. A lot of people say they're a pain in the butt, but once they're adjusted for you, I think it's super easy. So you got one, this comes over your shoulder here, comes over your left shoulder, and then you get a buckle, regular buckle right here in the front. Go ahead and put it in. Now you're in. Now, if you feel like you want to be a little bit tighter, pull these straps right down here. This will pull down on the shoulders, and then also on the sides right here, you can adjust your lap belt. And it's super easy to get out of these as well. All you have is just the red button right here in the front. Pop that, and you're out of the harnesses. So again, I really like this feature. It really helps with fatigue at the end of the day. Plus it just adds a safety aspect to the overall machine. While we're inside here, we're going to show you this power flip windshield. So CAN-AM, they do a great job with their accessories, and a lot of people, you know, want to add a windshield to the machine, but they like the flip windshield style. This one here is on 2 actuators. It'll one touch all the way up, one touch all the way back, or you can stop it anywhere in between. That way there in the fall, if you want it down all the time, not a problem. If it's a nice day out, you want to get some air, you can get maximum air by flipping it all the way open, or you can, you know, just open it just a little bit. Let me show you how that works. We'll turn the accessory on. There's a switch right here in the console. Press that button in the up position. You'll see the windshield go all the way up and it'll stop. That's at its wide open position right there. Now, if you want to close the windshield, just hit the switch in the down position. It'll automatically come all the way closed, seal itself up, and stop. There it is. Now, if you want to open it just a little bit to get a little bit of air, you go ahead and hit the switch, starts to open. Wherever you want it to stop, just rock the switch back and it'll stop right there. So one nice thing I really like about this windshield, it just gives you so many different options for the different type of routing you're going to do. You know, even if it's, you know, warm out but it's dusty conditions, you don't want that dust coming in the machine, you have the ability to adjust this windshield to where you want it. So that's a wrap for here. All right, so a little earlier we talked about the CAN-AM Accessory, the rear view camera that we've added to this machine. As you can see, it gives a crystal clear picture. If only the guy in the picture was a little bit better looking, you know, that's all right. Awesome accessory to be able to see here in the back. Now, one thing I do want to be able to share with you guys is the mounting location that CAN-AM wants you to put this camera is down here in the back, and we just felt on this machine, especially with the rear bumper, that it would just be too much, you know, in the way, too much interference. So what we did is we went ahead and mounted the camera up here, right into the back of the roof here, okay? Now, the nice thing about this is, one, it's protected. 2, it's going to have less chance of fogging up from any type of exhaust and or dust swirling up back. And I like it up here a little bit better. This machine here, we're not using the rear view camera to back up to any hitches or anything like that. So again, you know, being up here, it gives you a nice full field out behind. You can see if what's in your bed, if anything's falling out. But again, so definitely, depending on what you're looking to use this accessory to do, if you're just trail riding, definitely consider putting it up here in the back. That's what we do here for majority of our customers, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. Alrighty, so that wraps up the walk around of all the accessories that we've added to this 2021 Maverick Sport XRC. I really hope this video helped you out. If you're trying to pick accessories out for your machine, these are some of the, you know, most common accessories that customers ask for, so we wanted to share those with you today. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment below. We'll do our best to answer those. Any suggestions of videos that you may want to see, also include those there as well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the little bell. They'll send you a notification every time we come out with new content, and we're definitely going to be doing that. And it's not going to be just walk-arounds of accessories. We'll also be having a tips, tricks, and tutorial section as well to be able to help you out with some common issues that you may experience and save you a trip to the dealer. So we appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos. Feel free to give us a call with any questions at 207-324-5502 or visit us online at robertsonspower.com.